Welcome. So, you're ready to jump into the super fast-paced world of crypto day trading? Well, you're about to face your most critical decision. And trust me, it's not which coin to buy. It's all about where you'll be trading. Let's break it down.
So, are you here to capitalize on all those daily market swings? Making those quick, decisive moves to try and lock in profits? If that's you, then yeah, welcome to the crypto fast lane. And here's something that might surprise you. Your first big choice isn't what to trade, it's where. In the world of day trading, the platform you use can literally make or break your entire strategy. It's that important.
So let's step into the arena and really dig into why your choice of exchange is so fundamentally important.
First things first, let's be crystal clear about the game we're actually playing here. Investing? Well, that's a marathon. You're holding on to assets for the long haul. Day trading? That's a series of sprints. You're in and out of positions, sometimes in minutes, trying to profit from those tiny, rapid price movements.
So, here's the crucial point. Your platform isn't just some website. Think of it as your high-performance cockpit. It has to be fast, reliable, and totally intuitive. I mean, the absolute last thing you need is a laggy or confusing interface when prices are moving in milliseconds.
All right, now that we get the stakes, what should we actually be looking for? Let's get you equipped with the essential toolkit for checking out any exchange on the market.
Everything really comes down to three non-negotiable pillars. If a platform messes up even one of these, it's just not built for a serious day trader. So let's start with that first one.
First up, fees. When you're making, say, dozens of trades in a single day, even a tiny fee like 0.1% adds up ridiculously fast. Low fees aren't just a nice little bonus, they are absolutely essential to protecting your profits.
Next up is liquidity. This just means that there are enough people buying and selling at any given moment to fill your order instantly at the price you actually want. Without it, you get this nasty thing called slippage. That's where the price moves against you before your trade even goes through. It's a silent profit killer, for sure.
And finally, fast execution. In a market this volatile, speed is everything. We're talking about the difference between catching a price spike and, well, missing it completely. Your platform's engine has to be absolutely lightning fast.
And beyond those three pillars, the really great exchanges give you a full digital arsenal. This means powerful real-time charts, essential risk management tools like stop-loss orders to protect your capital, and market screeners to help you find that next big opportunity.
Okay, theory is great and all, but let's get to the main event. Let's put some of the biggest names in the crypto space head-to-head and see how they really stack up.
So this table makes one thing super clear. There is no single perfect exchange. Doesn't exist. Each one offers a different kind of trade-off. For example, Binance gives you liquidity that's second to none, but it can be really complex for beginners. Meanwhile, MXC offers zero-cost trading, but you're probably dealing with riskier coins. Each platform really has its own distinct personality, so let's get to know them.
We have to start with the giant in the room, Binance. If you're a trader who needs absolute certainty that your big orders will get filled instantly, this is your platform. Its sheer volume means liquidity is almost never, ever an issue.
Now, for anyone who's really focused on futures or leverage trading, Bybit is a massive favorite. And why is that? Its entire interface is built for one thing: speed. It gives you that split-second responsiveness you have to have when a trade's timing is everything.
Oh, for the altcoin hunter, MEXC is like a paradise. It's often the very first major exchange to list new, exciting projects. But its biggest draw? Zero maker fees on spot trades. For a high-frequency trader, that is a huge advantage.
KuCoin is known as the People's Exchange. For one very simple reason, its massive selection of assets. I mean, if a coin exists, you can probably trade it here, which makes building a really diverse portfolio incredibly easy.
Now this is pretty cool. BingX really stands out with its social features. You can literally copy the trades of proven, profitable traders automatically. It's an incredible way for newcomers to learn the ropes by watching the pros.
And finally, there's HTX, a trusted veteran in the space. This is really the platform for serious traders who are moving significant capital. Its whole reputation is built on reliability and deep order books, which makes it a very safe bet for those larger trades.
All right, we've met the contenders, so how in the world do you actually choose? Let's get into the final and, honestly, the most important step: making your first move.
Okay, if you're looking at all this information and your head is spinning just a little bit, take a deep breath. That is a perfectly normal reaction. This is a lot to take in.
So here's a simple plan. A lot of these exchanges, like Binance, offer a light mode to kind of hide all the complex features. Even better, just go create free accounts on 2 or 3 of these platforms. Click around, explore. The goal here isn't to find the best platform in the world, it's to find the best one for you.
And that's really the bottom line. You're looking for that aha moment. That one interface that just clicks for you, that feels natural, and that gives you the confidence to execute your strategy without feeling like you're fighting the tools.
Your digital cockpit is waiting. You've got the data, the contenders are on the field, and the only thing left is for you to decide. Your trading journey truly begins with this one choice. So what's your first move going to be?